Are you gonna talk some more?
There it is.
What is that?
Oh, she's peed probably. Did you just pedal? I think so. You had the shivers when you did that.
What? What, sweetheart? Really? Really? Really, really? Like really, really, really? That's okay. See, I may need a diaper change when I get home, Dad. She just had the shivers. Either that or she called the draft. Did you catch a draft, maybe?
I don't think so.
Okay. Are you gonna go now? Are you gonna go bye-bye?
So I could just figure out what to do with his tongue.